The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So if you guys don't know, we have another channel called Soai Farms, and over there we're basically trying to do everything off grid. So whether it's water, electricity, food, but of course these things are time consuming. They take a lot of time, they take a lot of effort. So I'm basically down here on the farm doing that. Now today's video is really all about the vibe. Now honestly, I work off a vibe completely. Now the whole idea for me was to, how can I say, you know, cook some rice or whatever, but it's been raining the whole of yesterday evening, but we were fortunate enough to get a bunch of work done yesterday. And yeah, the flooring is still a bit wet and damp, and let's be honest, I don't have every single thing that I need to feel a little bit more comfortable or sanitary, you know, doing certain meals. So yeah. Now speaking of vibe again, yo, shout out to Travis, who is one of the subscribers of Soai Vlogs, that you know, came out here and gave me a vibe for the past 5 days. It has been amazing. Thank you, sir, for coming out here, and hopefully, you know, we can work together again, you know, helping to create this awesome place that is to be. Now I remember this long time story my grandmother always used to tell me about, you know, whenever her husband, were they even mad? Yo, let's just say husband, her common law husband used to go out to work, and you know how they would send like food in tins out to them in the farm. And I kind of am experiencing something like that. So one of the ways that we are able to, how can I say, maximize on how much we work and how much time we waste is by Jilly, who is the wife, I mean not my wife as yet, that actually would you know, split chicken in half, make some stewed chicken, which we had one night, and then split the other chicken in half, and she would make some curry chicken. So in today's video, Travis is gonna try Jilly's curry chicken. He had the stewed chicken, and yo, man asked if the chicken was like, what? Where did he ask again?
To say how long on the season of the chicken.
Oh. The fun fact, I think she did it in one day, so it was one take, and yeah, seasoning was amazing. So yeah, I'm just gonna heat up some curry chicken and get ready to be out of here. Really, I wanted to make some coconut white rice, but like I said, the vibe doesn't feel quite there as yet. But the beautiful part about building this place is that over time you guys will see a lot of cooking recipes out here, you know, once it gets a little bit more comfortable, and we'll have the whole outdoor cooking vibe where we can make a conundrum of different dishes. And yeah, Travis in the back will be able to try a couple of them and to see if they're really hits or are they misses. But anyway, I'm gonna go up really quick. We're gonna have some curry chicken and some bread, and then probably grab a couple jellies from off the farm, and then you know, drink. We can have a vibe.
Yeah, peeps. So yeah, walk, go look. 2 jellies so you can drink, you see it? So I chop 3. 1 for you guys, 1 for Soai, 1 for me. You see it? Yeah. See all dry coconut up on tree there. Dry as. Yeah, jelly and thing. Guys, the place kinda wet, you know. Yeah, peeps. Tree them full of jelly and thing. But the place kinda wet and slippery. So yeah, I get a one here. Get 2. First on the phone, guys. Second one of his eye. See, third one, I know. I'll go be mine. Be honest, that roll out, probably. Be honest, that people. Be honest. Be honest, just jump out. And you must see them. See there? Be honest. Just jump out. One boy. I must say, boy, what you do? You have to come as a con chop. You see we live in here, sir. Yeah. And all with me. Yeah. So see you next one there, guys. See you one day for me. Me not laugh for doing either. Come here. Move. Yeah. So you go stop from this try banana tree out. Cause no ants no feel nothing a while ago. Everything messy ants. Yeah. But yeah, peeps. Watch out. Come on, for jelly. Hungry. So peeps. So you have 3 nice jelly here. So as soon as me reach down, I chop phone one. So I can have it for drink. And think me know a lot of you know. So I have to go learn for share. You see it? Sharing is caring. Yeah, so we are work today. We are share with one another today. So I see how you can share one jelly for all of you. All of you. You just taste up on the mouth and pass it on. Some of them dry. See? Another jelly piece. The man I can just screw it off. Simple and easy. So see it there? Next person, phone a jelly that. Here. Pour that. And if Jilly want a jelly. Jelly. Even though she not there, but we have pick one for you still see me because we still remember you. Alright. Yeah, go down here now. Place kinda slippery, so meet when you reach down back on the farm. You know? You see it? You see Java. I will leave a Java one in your farm.
Completely bigger than these.
But peeps reach back, you see it? And things, so we get them chopped. As you remember, as me tell you now, one phone, no? One for Jilly, one for Soai, one for me. But you me know, you can't share one, I pick 2. Because one me did a go no, but you did a make up on the face and the front, so I go to the next one. So you go share them 2 here. One of them 2 here.
I want to drink mine now.
Alright.
Like we say, the moment of truth, if there's water and it's a jelly, yeah.
Peeps, I say, go left hand my band with me know. People always say left hand and
That's
people.
like a dry coconut to the Travis. Nobody even go no further, bro. It's a dry coconut.
Yes, it's dry.
See, it's dry.
Sample.
Let me see what I got on.
Meat in the soft same.
Definitely a dry coconut. It tastes like, you know, on Sunday your mother would have crack open the dry coconut and then she'd get it the water. Exact same thing. Shadow. That was supposed to be the vibe. I was supposed to actually use a dry coconut to make something today, but
Sealer.
that one is a good one.
Yes, some sample it, you know. Definitely a young coconut.
That one there. Guys, Travis no bush better than me. No. Travis no born a country, you know. Not Tony Ban. Now this is a curry that Jelly made that we are just going to reheat. So I'm going to see him like Jamaica's next top chef. Alright. May I tell you, if I'm looking on the coconut, I tell you, so you look at them the liquor. Coconut and dry as shit. No. Careful. Latte. Gentle. Sorry. So curry, serve out.
Well rich and nice.
A young coconut boss, I got to tell you how it is.
Hey Travis, boy, you know say curry bad like yards, you know, bro. We don't...
That me I tell you.
No, no make me say it and you go say it, you know. How you really feel, bro?
Me I tell you, say, bro. Curry great, dog. Great, me I tell you. Nice, and you can taste all the pimento seed and thing, you see me? Nice, man.
Just, you know, some kind of fridge.
Dip on a
couple
level
days.
normal. In a salt,
Shit.
nothing. Just normal, bro. In a pepper, pimento seed that taste in the seasoning. Just fresh as it. Natural. Like a calabash. Natural.
What you say?
Me I say after a while, when me see I use the season them, me did I go write down the name them and thing and try to buy them so me can use them too. But like you smell the rat, bro. You tap from posy season them where you use youth. Yeah, let tell you about soy seasoning. This, that, mix up and thing. Me can't get the name them and seasoning again, my youth. Cause me I tell you, me know I season them and thing. Me only dep on the same level. Bad chef thing, you. I only dep on the same level, but you can't lead me now. You see it?
So first of all, guys, Travis say, my top chef. So one of them day, one of them day, I was gonna make Travis chef up something. You see me? And we are talking about 876 for sure.
And me I say, if men day night, if food competition, I mash it up. Cause when I see man them look bout and thing, I judge and they say this a win and that. Oh my. More than win from the start.
Yeah.
From before you even start. From before you even start, I win, bro.
You hear the ambulance, eh? Are you never come find we are talking
No, so I'm buying and you a jelly cooking. You see me? So I know so I'm safe. You see me?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Alright guys, so I am back home. Yeah, never got to film like the closing part, you know, with Travis and everything. But basically in a nutshell, Travis said it was an amazing experience getting to meet me in person, and he said, yo, he got to see the ghetto side of Soai. That's basically what he said in a nutshell. And what he really means is that I guess the more down-to-earth roots side, because of course in the videos I don't I don't speak a typical Jamaican lingua or move the a particular way, because of course the videos are not for that. The videos are really about sharing into nature, sharing into food, and trying to be understandable and respectable to as many cultures as possible, and being honest in my experiences. So yeah, upon the farm is completely different because we are putting in the work and everything, and it was amazing having him there because a lot of work got done. And like I mentioned in previous videos, I could see where my energies went like 200-fold, and he was just there doing his thing. And he also mentioned things like he was saying, yo, it was a very easy job, and because I don't run a tight shift, basically meaning tight shift, for example, I'm very keen on observing like the energies of the people that are around me in terms of, how can I say, working environment. And if I realize that things are a little bit stressful or hectic, I'll try my best to change it a little bit or whatever. Anyway, I'm back home, and yeah, the chef for the curry is here. So even though she could not come down onto the farm, she was there in food.
I was there in food and spirit for my baby.
Guys, I say, my couple Jilly was on me like fly upon ticks. That makes sense?
No, white on rice.
White on rice, which I love. And I say, did that kiss me? Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for sharing into that small experience and into our life and to this journey on not just Soai Vlogs, but also over there on Soai Farms. Make sure you go check it out. And of course, check out Julie's channel as well, Julie Beans. Those will be linked in the description box. Anyway, remember 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.